Hello, kittens. Hello, Nala. Hold on, let me get everything in here. Okay. I know you were locked in here for so very long. But you're free now, for now. Do I leave? Okay. I'm gonna give them formula. I believe I know why Echo was throwing up last night. I was so excited that she latched on that I let her nurse until she was done. And that's actually what you should not do because then they get overfilled, not able to digest it. In this case, she couldn't digest the formula, so it's boiled, made her throw up, which is good in this case. Let's see here. Eyes are still open. Five's eyes are open. And so are Rex's. And so is Echo's. I'm getting the water temperature back up. I mean, formula temperature. I recall yesterday that she nursed fast and then nursed slowly. So I will stop her when she starts nursing slowly. Ding, ding. Hi, I'm Echo. 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 Hi, Miss Nala. Fives, do not pee on me again, okay? After I'm done feeding them, I'm going to change out the towel. The formula's too hot. Mom is currently confined to the kennel cage because she moved Echo and Maze out earlier. She finally was able to wedge her way inside of a cubby, and that's where she moved them to. So I removed the cubby from the room. This means we're gonna have litter dropping down now. Fives is on my lap. I forgot my phone. Oh, my phone's charging anyway. Hi, I'm Maze. Mommy carried me out this morning. I went up and down and all the way across the room. I also turned on the white noise again because I know that in the past that has relaxed her. And the reason why I did not come in earlier than this was twofold. I wanted to see how Nala would act when she knew that she could not get out. She did well, and I wanted to ensure Echo's tummy was empty except for Mama's milk. I will feed her once today and then again tomorrow morning before I leave for camping. And then I'll feed her again Sunday morning. I'll make sure that her tummy doesn't get overwhelmed. Oh, at the vet, the sexes were verified. 3 boys, 3 girls. No ash gates this time. Okay, let me check the temperature. It's almost ready. I did a new style, made a new baggy style formula feeder, so I can let them nurse at their own pace without having to worry about the stiff tube making a vacuum, slowing them down. It's just a sandwich bag with the bottom cut off and a sandwich bag run through and then sealed on with the cap itself. Hey, Echo, are you ready for breakfast? I think the temperature is right. Ooh, it's coming out really fast. Let me twist it. I don't want it to come out so fast. High fives. Okay, let's see how fast this comes out. Not fast enough at all. There, perfect. Excuse you. You ready, Echo? It's nomming time. There she goes. She latched on. She's nursing fast. And let's say you're done now. I'll let Mama clean you up. Okay, fives. Or Rex. Let's do Rex first. Do, do, do. There you go, Rex. I expect fives to lose weight because probably the majority of her weight gain yesterday was from undigested formula. Okay, Mama, clean up on Rex. Okay, fives. Where are you going? Where are you going? Echo is on a rampage. Do not pee on me, fives. Ooh, fives latched on. That's unusual. Okay, that's enough. Clean up on aisle fives. How about you, Maze? Maze is purring. A friend of mine will be coming over to check on the kittens tomorrow afternoon. She'll be in at least once. And she'll be on standby so that if she's needed, she can come by. Okay, Cody, your turn. No, you're Keely. Okay, Keely, your turn. Cody or Keely is just lapping it up. Okay, Keely's paw needs a cleaning. Yes, and her face. But her paw, pluck her paw. There we go. Okay, Cody, your turn, Mr. Juggernaut. He doesn't want formula. Okay, I'm sorry, Echo, no more for you. No more for you, Rex. Stop. She recognizes edges. Wait. Sniff your new blankie. Hi, my name is Echo, and I did not eat too much. I will be weighing them tonight. They will not be weighed tomorrow night. Unless Andrea wants to and then message me the weights, but I'm not asking her to. Okay, Mama says you have to go back in. Okay, guys, you guys are going to go swimming. Wow. Amazing. Echo can walk on this floor. So can Rex. That's a big improvement. Hey, Echo. 3. Oh, this towel is really longer than the past one, than the old one. Oops, sorry. There we go. Yep, somebody's asleep.
Your bedroom is done.
Thank you, sir. Echo. Who's this? That's 5s. Okay, Echo, let me inspect your nose. Your nose is clear. Yeah, that's right. You don't have to worry about their bar fights because they had all their tiny little needles trimmed. But they're still pretty thin. So they'll get me, but they won't get each other. What are you doing, Rex? Oh, against the wall. This here is Cody. Cody and Maze. Keeli, Echo, 5s. You guys are getting so dark. Look at your feetsies. Boy, Echo is scrapping. Echo is dominating. Echo is biting the head off of another kitten. Echo seeks another victim, another conquest. Echo surveys. Oh no, it's Keely. Oh, it's the human. I will take down the human with my adorableness. He deflects. I reapply. He deflects again. Hello, Fives. You are adorable. Okay, I'll quit waking you up by holding you while you're sleeping. Ooh, Fives is purring. Hi, Echo. I kissed you. Are you observing Keely? Keely, are you? Echo's body is starting to darken a little more now. Not as much as Fives and Rex. Hi, little Miss Big Eyes. You got such pretty big eyes. They're pretty and they're big. Echo is taking on Rex now. Rex is bewildered. He doesn't know what to do. Oh, he bites her leg. And she bites his leg. Rex is trying to get away. Echo bites his. Well, don't bite there. He'll pee on you. Right over there. Usually the tiniest kitten, aka the runt, is the fiercest of the lot because they have to be to survive. Oh, look at Fives. It's a good thing these guys were found and brought to Purrfect Pals because I can say with fairly good assuredness that Fives, Rex, and Echo would not have survived in the wild. Their siblings would have dominated the milk. They would not have been supplemented with formula, and they would have grown weak and passed away. But in foster care, we get a close eye on them, we monitor them. We make sure everybody has a good fighting chance to become somebody's beloved pet. Oh, I wish I had my camera. Fives is just, he's pulling the adorable card. What? He's like, now you can see and you're feeling good. You're just nothing but piss and vinegar, aren't you? No, I'm made of sugar and spice and piss and vinegar. Okay, here's chicken fish, Chewbacca mouse, Stormtrooper mouse, Yoda mouse. Yoda mouse, eat a mouse. And Leia mouse. And Darth mouse. Good, that's a sign I did not overfeed them if they're trying to nurse. Are you a 5 pillow? He says, no, I'm not a pillow. Okay, Mom, I'm going to scoop your litter box now and clean up the top shelf. Now, if I get up, she'll get up. So I'll sit here and pet her for a bit. Echo, you going after Mama's paws? There's nothing there. Here, let's do this. There it is, right there. Yep. Down, down. Go on your side. There you go. Oh, wait, so you're... No, not that one. That one only dispenses comfort. You want this one. She's not really hungry. You give up. Let you guys pass out and then nurse. Okay, now for the litter box. Ready to play, Mom? The thing about Echo's nose and her sinuses, the vet believes that treating her eyes will also treat her nose. It could be what's coming out of her nose is coming from the eyes. They'll get the ointment for 10 days, and then we'll get an appointment to reevaluate if needed. So far as made a market improvement. I have not had to clear their eyes since last night. Nice jump. I'm playing with the bird with her. The stick in, that's what she wants. She wants the stick, not the feathers. She'll play with feathers. I wonder if I put a mouse on the end. See if I can do that. Letting her have the feathers. mama's not in the lower area, chances are she's laying on the shelf between the levels and napping. I'm spending time playing with Nala since she's confined to the kennel cage now because she keeps trying to move the babies. Make sure to get her all her energy burned off. Whoops. Nice jump. She keeps grabbing the string in her mouth and walking off with it. The kittens are not currently available for adoption. They're too young. When they are 8 weeks old and healthy, I will schedule their neuter and spay appointment. And the day that they have their neuter spay appointment is the day that I announce that I'm taking applications. Until then, please do not inquire. Because you'll just be told that they're not ready for adoption yet. Okay, Mom, time to go back up. Let me give you hugs. Let me give you hugs. Oh, oh, oh. Okay, I'll put you back down in the kennel cage. She's like, no, I don't want to go in the kennel cage. Did you still want to play? You just want to lie down? If you're just going to lie down, you can lie down in the kennel cage. Yep, you're done playing. She just farted, didn't you? I'll bring you more wet food later, okay? Enjoy the kittens. Have a nice day.